Pairing your Microsoft Sculpt Ergonomic keyboard and mouse with Bluetooth allows you to enjoy a cleaner workspace without cables while keeping the comfortable ergonomic design these devices are known for. Proper pairing ensures smooth typing, accurate mouse tracking, and reliable connectivity with your computer or laptop. If the keyboard or mouse is new or you're connecting it to a different device, you simply need to activate pairing mode and link it through your system's Bluetooth settings. The entire process usually takes less than a minute once you know where the pairing controls are located. Try these. Step 1. Insert fresh batteries into the keyboard and mouse, then turn both devices on using the power switches. Step 2. Press and hold the Bluetooth pairing button on the keyboard or mouse until the indicator light begins flashing. Step 3. On your computer, open Bluetooth settings and select the option to add a new device. Step 4. Choose Microsoft Sculpt Ergonomic Keyboard or Mouse from the list of available devices. Step 5. Confirm the pairing and test the keyboard and mouse to ensure both devices respond correctly.